Trinidad have what's up everybody? You don't know about Razablade. Back with a new video. This is I think this is a mukbang. So the previous vlog I did a contemplate and I did try to see if the KFC over here in Trinidad is like the KFC in Jamaica. Me figure say Jamaica have the best KFC because everybody overseas always around come and say yo KFC a foreigner ish. They want Jamaican KFC. So I buy my favorite in a KFC which is spicy and a one original, some fries and a drink. So sorry about the lighting, you know me overseas me not have the best at anything right now. I catch it on my computer, I dip on the table, the light behind here so but I still not gonna see what I want. So allow me to do the taste test.
Why you forget?
Tastes like foreign.
Boy, if you don't get
Oh shoot, I did think of grape soda, Pepsi. The Pepsi tastes like Pepsi. I should have ketchup on the vlog, them have a weird machine where I see them squeeze them to get out for them ketchup. So like in a Jamaican KFC where you can squeeze out your own juice, them have a little machine where they squeeze out them own ketchup. If them ever allow a Jamaican to use that done. So I have the ketchup on mine. So let's go. Fries. One thing I can say about the fries, I'm going to for all them fries there, so you know, soak out with oil, it meaning say I run off a milk when I eat them fries. Them nice, them dry, and them still shelly. You know when the fries soak with too much oil, just yuck. Them fries are perfect to me. And the KFC, remind me of the KFC at Maple. One person in there, cash and a pack out. I'm a fart there. Alright, let me get my phone. Alright. So the moment I have all been waiting for. See there's something there. The flesh part, I think our skin or whatever. Make sure so you can see it in the box. I also get a picture of my tongue. So based on me just taste that skin the shelly. So I look at them to soak you with 1,000 liter oil. Oh man, I never told me hungry. Oh God. This seller, that chicken and that. I don't know if I ever KFC over here tastes about Alright. That one you know? Alright. I smell a little rawness. Could have fried some more. You know, I'm glad say the original them shake up. And I love spicy. Take a next piece of the spice again. Oh yeah, say to me. No man, hey. If you enter touch all this KFC, she not come back to Jamaica.
Say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Let's go find another man card. But probably have to go come back there, man. I'm going to go try a zinger next. Or something. No, so something up. Yes, okay. Why people? We are going to test out the one and guy still about. If Guyana won't go under this, if Guyana standards go under this, at Trinidad have the best taste in KFC in the Caribbean. Cayman was nice too, you know. But this be Cayman. And Jamaica will be Cayman too. So, basically, God made me feel like I just put on 5 pounds. I feel like one of them little fatty there. Oh God. How the hurts me there. Yeah, said to me. You see the case I'm going to destroy it. No man. Me a confirm it. Trinidad have the best tasting KFC me ever taste. Out of Jamaica, Cayman Islands and Trinidad. Imagine just a stop here for one night. No man, you hear me mouth a clap? But some of the video like hug. Yeah. You know, I never like to do. I just have meditator. I never love eat KFC and then go to bed after. I don't like doing it. Like when I wake up with like a hangover stomach. I don't know if that makes sense to you. You ever like eat food and you set up on your stomach in the morning and you wake up feeling well hungry? One of them two feelings, then I know I got to feel tomorrow. But God knows. Boy. I tell you. but I have to say it again. Trinidad have the best KFC